Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a really easy hack on how you can turn a scarf like this into a really cute top using nothing but a ring. So this is the ring I'm going to be using. Now I do just want to put a disclaimer on here. Not every scarf is going to be able to fit you as a top, and I did learn that. So I was actually using this scarf originally and it does not tie up around me. So don't feel kind of disheartened if you have a scarf and it doesn't turn into a top. It wasn't made for that purpose, so not every scarf is going to fit you as a top. However, if you like to go thrifting, I promise you're going to be able to find either a square or rectangle piece of fabric like this that you're going to be able to turn into a top. And so this is my choice for today. It's one of my favourites. I found this in a charity shop years ago and I absolutely love it. It's just covered in lions and cheetahs and it's just awesome. I would really love to wear it as a top, as I don't tend to wear silk scarves very often. And so for this DIY, all you're going to want to do is take the two corners, put them together, take your ring, and you're just going to poke those two corners into the ring, and you're just going to pull it down to a nice kind of length, maybe 45 centimeters or so, and then you should have two things like this. Now this is going to tie around your neck. So I'll show you guys. I'm just going to flick my hair out the way, and you're just going to literally tie it behind your neck. Now I just tie it in a nanny knot or a double knot because when it's silk I find they're not hard to undo, but you might want to tie it in a bow, and then you just want to adjust the ring so that it's a comfortable length from your neck. You don't want to be being strangled, and you want it to just kind of sit nice and center in your chest, almost like a pendant on a necklace. Then you want to take the rest of the scarf and find the other two corners. So they're the two corners there. And I'm just going to, I want to try and show the base of the scarf with the border of the lions because that's my favourite bit. So mine's a little bit more fiddly than yours probably will be, but you just want to pull the two corners around and just tie them. So you can see that this scarf only just fits me as a top, but it does fit, so it's workable, like so. And then I'm just going to tuck in that excess like that because I want the base border. Where's the base border? There's the base border. To be the bottom of the shirt. At least that's the vision I had in mind. Just like that. And now I would probably normally wear a bikini top under this or something like that. I'm just wearing a boob tube just to keep YouTube happy. But then you can just kind of adjust it and tuck it in so it hides things. So you can quite easily wear a bra under this as well if that's something you're after. So it's just a really comfortable fit, and voila, you have a lovely kind of silk top that you can wear, or you can turn this back into a scarf or a headscarf. So it's a really versatile thing to do, and all you need is one ring. And I think it's quite nice being able to wear the bling like that, because these sorts of rings, I really love them, but if I wear them on my hands they get caught in my hair, so it's quite nice being able to turn it into a top. Now I am going to show you another way you can do this, now not using a silk scarf. I have this incredible kind of bikini cover-up which is intended to be like a wrap skirt, and it's just this humongous bit of fabric, and this came as part of a set from Fashion Nova, so you're meant to just tie it like that over the top of a bikini. Now this sort of fabric is perfect for this DIY because they're really stretchy. Now for this one I'm going to use a ring again, but I'm going to use this lovely ammonite shell one. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm obsessed with ammonites, so I actually have a whole channel dedicated to fossils and rocks, which is linked down below if you're interested, but I won't bore the rest of you. So for this one, it's actually going to make a dress out of this DIY, so it's the exact same concept. Let me just get this one off, like so. So voila. So that's option one, turning it into a top. And then option two, you're going to do the similar design. Now this is with a rectangle piece of fabric, okay? So a lot bigger, quite stretchy. Now I'm going to take the shortest side and I'm going to do the exact same design where I take the two corners and I'm going to poke them through the ring. Just like so. And then I'm going to tie those ones around my neck. Okay, and I'm left with something like this. Now what I'm going to do, and I think this one looks really lovely, so I'm just going to adjust this fabric because it's so stretchy. It's a bit more, just needs a little bit more adjusting, but it works really well for this DIY, and I think a few of you might have these lying around. So you then just want to take the rest of the fabric and you want it to almost form a bit of like a cowl neck at the front like that. And then if I show you the full length of this, sorry, my hair is going everywhere today. I basically have a full dress, however, it's not covering me at the back. Now the way I'm going to fix that is I'm going to turn it actually to a side dress, and I'm going to just do a really important knot at the top here. So I'm just going to take the tag off it, there we go. So you just want to do a nice knot, and it's literally tied to your body. So you're basically making a dress to your measurements. Like so. And then we have this long slit going down here, which would be fine if I was in a bikini. But now what you want to do is you want to take the bottom two corners. So if I go back enough, you can see the two base corners of the fabric. Just pick those up, tie those together. Like that. And don't worry, because it's a stretched fabric, you can still move fine. But now you're probably thinking that looks awful, you have this big hole. You're then going to take the middle two bits of fabric, and because it's stretchy, you can tie little knots out of them without any problems. Just like that. And so all of a sudden you've got a really beautiful dress coming out of the kind of bikini cover up, and all you've used is tying bits of the fabric and a ring. And so I think this actually looks really lovely, and I can, like, if I'm on a holiday or something like that and I need to quickly, you know, get a going out dress, this works for being by the pool and just tied around my bikini, or it works as a really nice kind of dinner option. And I don't think the knots actually make it look, you know, that bad. I think it looks, it just looks like a dress, just with some knots down the side. So I think it's a really cool thing to play with, and see what you've got in your wardrobe, because all you need is either a big square or a big rectangle. It can be a stretchy piece of fabric, it can be a non-stretchy piece of fabric if you're just turning it into a top. So you can probably turn quite a few things into tops. And so I found this piece in my wardrobe that I've had for a little while, and I just thought, oh, I wonder if I could turn that into a top with jeans. But then when I put it on, I was like, actually, I think I can turn this into a dress. And so play around with what you've got. You never know what you can make out of things. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's DIY. It's just a super easy one with just a little piece of fabric and some rings. But I really love the effect of, you know, having that kind of tie neckline, a nice ring so you can wear even more rings, which I think is a win-win. And then it just kind of turns into, in this scenario, a lovely bodycon dress. But with other pieces, you can make lovely tops out of them. But just play around. You never know what you can kind of make something out of, if that makes sense. So if you've got a piece already, it doesn't always have to have its original purpose. You might be able to turn it into some other things. So I do hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe if you did. I'll link everything down below if you'd like to check me out on kind of other social media platforms. But please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.